Would you like to know how I created this background? Let's rewind and take a look.
Alright, let's get started by clicking on New Project. Next, click on the Media tab, then click on Import Media to add your image. Okay, now drag the image into your timeline. Then, click on the image and select Expand to Fit to adjust it to the canvas screen size. Now, let's add a light effect to the stage circle. First, click on the plus icon and select the pen tool. Next, zoom in on the area where you want to apply the light effect. And use the pen tool to draw the shape of the light. When drawing with the pen tool, you'll need to click and drag. When you drag, be sure to select the hand tool. Once you're done dragging, switch back to the cursor tool. Once completed, exit the pen tool. Adjust the length of the light path in your timeline to match the length of your image, and set the border width and opacity of your path to 0. Now, head back to the Media tab and choose Pixabay. Search for a light background video to use as a mask with your light path. After you've found your light background video, download it and drag it into your timeline above your light path. Ensure that the length of your path and image background matches the length of the light video background. Now, resize the light video by dragging the corners. Then, move it to the area where you want to place the light. You can adjust the opacity of the video to see where you want to place it, but remember to set the opacity back to 100 once you're finished. Next, in your timeline, select both the path and the light background video. Right-click on the video, then choose the mask option. Now, select it and set the opacity to 100. Hit play to see the effect. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on the Undo button and adjust the position. Okay, this looks nice. Now, let's move on to the next part, the background. For the background, we are going to use the pen tool again to mask it with a video. Okay, let's start by drawing the background area. Okay, let's find a background video that matches the theme colors of it.
Okay, let's find a background video that matches the theme colors of the background image. I'll use the search term, night sky. You can experiment with different backgrounds to see which one fits best. Alright, now that the background is chosen, let's move on to the final masking step, the screen. Use the pen tool to outline the screen area and mask it with your video. Now, mask your video with the screen path. Alright, now that we're done with the masking, let's add some smoke effects. Head over to the Media tab and select Pixabay again. Search for smoke effect. Now, add the smoke video to your timeline at the top. Then, choose the blend mode, exclusion, and set the opacity to around 70. Finally, let's ensure that everything in the timeline is the same length. If you'd like to download this background in high quality or explore similar options, feel free to join my video creation club on Facebook or visit my Pixabay profile, where you can download it for free. Links are provided in the description. And if you'd like to know how I create these backgrounds, visit midpro.xyz, where I share my Midjourney prompts.